Databricks is a company that is trying to make big data simple.
We created Spark, and now we're creating the best way to run Spark.
It's really revolutionizing the way data analytics is viewed and making it very simple for a whole host of people to start using data at their fingertips.
What we do is not easy, it's hard. My name is Ion Stoica and I'm the CEO of Databricks. We want to make it easier for everyone who has data to extract value out of that data.
You figure out what are the things that people are doing, spending a lot of time on, and then how do we automate it?
What Databricks brings to the table is an end-to-end platform that gives you an end-to-end line of sight to solve those data pipeline problems. And we do that all with the power of our open source technology that we've created.
My name is Vita Ha. I'm a solutions engineer at Databricks. We're a startup, so it's a much more energetic workplace. Our desks, we're all right next to each other all day. Engineering is a team sport, and even if people are working on different features, it all has to come together.
My name is Arsalan Tavakoli-Shiraji. I'm the VP of Customer Engagement and Business Development. It comes down to the people, right? You have some of the smartest people that I've ever worked with, and they're all here, they love what they do, and they manage to check their ego at the door. You'll never see somebody shoot you down because I know this better than you, or I've done this longer than you, and so how could you not have fun in this environment?
You would not believe the amount of intellectual firepower that is here.
My name is Reza Yazdi, and I'm the head of design here. I've never seen a team like this. It's an amazing team of people.
Everyone here is like really a joy to work with. I've learned something from everybody here because we're all sort of have the same overall high level goals in terms of the success of the company, success of open source Spark, and success of the product. It's kind of exciting. It's like being part of a larger team or even like an expedition or something, you know, where everyone has some skin in the game.
It's fun, it's dynamic, it's explosive. You're trying to do some real cutting edge stuff, and at the same time you're doing it with people that you enjoy doing it with.
My name's Patrick Wendell. I'm a founder of Databricks. That's something somewhat unique about our culture. When we see a hard technical problem, we see that as a great opportunity. We can go do something that's never been done before. We can do something that's going to be very hard for our competitors to do. And we have the team to kind of get behind that mentality.
I feel like as an engineer, it's very easy to make progress just because of the openness in terms of communication.
My name is TD and I'm a software engineer at Databricks. Like if you put together smart people in the same room, they're always going to generate very smarter and smarter ideas, be it at desks or in front of their laptops or be it at lunch where ideas go even more crazy.
I'd say that we're a pretty democratic culture, so everyone can express their opinions and sort of get their voice heard.
We need people to be inspired, right? Because at the end of the day, it's about changing the world. Data is not only creating new industries, but revolutionizing existing industry.
We see ourselves as really humble servants of our users. We care a lot about making them happy, about making them productive. And you get this aspect of maybe a little bit of a cultish vibe around Spark. But one benefit of being here is it's definitely a lot of fun. And of course, that's very gratifying for us.
We are revolutionizing the data industry, and this is just the beginning.